This week we have seen the biggest pullback and the biggest correction on crypto and Bitcoin that we have seen in a number of weeks. So we're going to take a look in this video if we should be worried, or whether the bull run's over or still on, and what we can expect from here. Before I begin the analysis, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section I'll pin two links: one to our website where you can find out more information about us, and secondly a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates. So looking here at the daily chart for Bitcoin, we can see how since the all-time high, which was hit on Tuesday at $108,000, we saw a pullback of around 15%, sweeping the 92,000 area on Friday. Now, the first things to notice here is this blue line is the EMA, the daily EMA 25, which we've been trading above since the middle of October, and this has been giving really good bounces on every retest. For the first time on Thursday evening, we did accept back below this. That also meant that we broke down from the support trend line that's been in place since the 12th of November as well, and we can see how both of these now are acting as resistance. So we are obviously wanting to see a reclaim of these levels before we go and see a push higher, but for now, yeah, these are definitely acting as resistance. So this level is around the 98,000 area up to 100,000, big area of resistance for Bitcoin. But this shouldn't be really any cause for concern. What goes up must come down, and this is really normal in a bull market, but it just happens that we've not really had any deep corrections at all so far in this part of the cycle. We had one right at the start of December, but this was literally just a couple of hours, was quickly reclaimed and pushed higher. But if we go to the weekly chart, we can see how looking back at sort of previous cycles, so during the 2021 bull run, we saw weekly candles like this the early part of 2021, but also even during the middle part before we saw the alt season, we had much deeper corrections on Bitcoin. So when we look at the weekly chart, we can see actually we're still very bullish. We're still just sort of trading in this range. Most likely sort of 90,000 to 105,000 is a range before we see the next breakout higher, in my opinion. So looking just at the total 2 market cap as well, and Bitcoin dominance side by side, because obviously everybody's interested in how their altcoins are performing. On the weekly chart, we have had a nice retest so far, again, of the old resistance, which has been in place for almost 3 years now, this weekly resistance. So we are looking for this to hold, and likely this becomes the range sort of between the old all-time high and the this 1.25 trillion level, eventually expecting this to break out to the upside as well. But looking here at the Bitcoin dominance chart on the right hand side, potentially we do see a weekly reclaim of this uptrend, which have been in place since the start of 2024. This can cause sort of further pain on alts, but this is actually a good indication of strength from Bitcoin and the whole market overall for a continued rally. If Bitcoin dominance is increasing, we can expect everything to head higher over the shorter to medium term. Hope you found this analysis useful, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what your ideas are for Bitcoin, what you think the top will be, and when you think it will be reached. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.